Hello everyone, my name is Disha Lokhande. Currently, I am management student pursuing my marketing specialization from SAS Institute of Management and Studies. Today's my topic service blueprint from service marketing. What is a service blueprint? A service blueprint is a diagram that visualization the relationship between different service competitors, people propose physicals or digital evidence and process that are directly tied to touch point in a specific customer journey. We can see here the diagram of service blueprint. We can explain here elements of a service blueprint. First, customer actions, step, choice, activities, and interactions that customer performs while interactions with a service to reach a particular goals. Customer actions are derived from research or a customer journey map. In the our blueprint from an appliance retailer's customer action include visiting the website, visiting the store and browsing for appliance, discussing options and future with a sales assistant, appliance purchasing, getting a delivery date notification and finally receiving the appliance. Second, front stage actions. Actions that occur directly in view of the customer. Human to human actions are the step and activities that the contact employs. For example, the person who interact with the customer performs human to computer actions are carried out when the customer interact with self-service technology. For example, a mobile apps or an ATM. Third, backstage actions, step and activities that occur behind the scenes to support on-stage happenings. These actions could be performed by a backstage employee, for example, a cook in the kitchens, or by a front stage employee who does something not visible to the customer. For example, a waiter enter an order into the kitchen's display system. Fourth, process, internal step and interactions that support the employee in delivery the service. These elements include anything that must occur for all of the above to take place. Process for the appliance company include credit card verification, pricing, delivery of unit to the store from the factory, writing quality test and so on. In a service blueprint, key elements are organized into cluster with line that separate them. There are three primary lines. First, the line of interactions depicts the direct interactions between the customer and the organization. Second, the line of visibility separates all service activities that are visible to the customer from those that are not visible. Everything from front stage visible appears above this line while everything backstage not visible appears below this line. Third, the line of internal interactions separate contact employee from those who do not directly support interactions with customer, otherwise user. The last layer of the service blueprint is evidence, which is made of the props and place that anyone in the blueprint has an exchange with. Evidence can be involved in both front stage and backstage process and actions. For example, evidence include the appliance themselves, signals, physical stores, website, tutorial video or email inbox. Thank you watching for my video.